Multitask machining (MTM) is an excellent example of technology rising to meet the competitive challenge. Multiple tools cut at the same time significantly improves process efficiency, but it also substantially complicates programming. Tools can be cutting on the same part in the same spindle or working on separate parts in separate spindles. This gets even more complicated when dealing with two spindles and multiple tool groups. In multitask machining, each tool is controlled by its own program. In other words, the multitasking machine has multiple channels. There is a button to choose the simulation mode on the simulation page for the multitasking machines. In the single-channel simulation mode, the simulation is performed one step at a time. In multi-channel mode, the simulation is executed simultaneously on each channel, as it would be on the actual equipment. Sync points is a feature that helps to avoid machine collisions by suspending the execution of one channel until another channel arrives at a particular block.